Good morning. We just got ready. Actually, it's a little bit late. We just got ready. We just gonna go out, have some breakfast, then see a couple of temples, maybe hopefully 3 of them, and then try what was the name? Khao soy chicken. Somewhere famous, I think. So let's see how it's gonna go. But outside was
36 degrees.
36 degrees. So yay!
That's not too bad.
We got our 7-Eleven sandwiches. If I can open it. Can you help me out? Moment of truth. It's pretty good. Do you like it? Huh?
It's alright.
I think I love that.
Ham and cheese sandwich.
Yeah, basic, good. It's like $2 Australian. I think we loved it. And we made it to temple. What was it? Wat Sondu. I'm 100% sure that I'm pronouncing wrong, but it's pretty. But unfortunately, there's a scaffolding in the golden bit. So we gotta go inside and have a look. Let's go. By the way, it's like 1,000 degrees here. I'm sweating, and then Chris is completely wet, I think. That's the bit with the construction. I'm pretty sure there's no entry fee, but we will check now. The entrance is somewhere over there, I think. We are trying to figure out where the entrance is. We are in Wat Swandok temple. We paid 20 baht per ticket. It's pretty quiet. I think we are the only people here anyhow, so it's pretty good. We are in the famous Kai Soy place in Chiang Mai. And we're gonna try this one and this one, and it's super hot. Don't know how we are going to eat it. Chicken one is mine. Woohoo! We got our Kai Soy chicken, and I don't know how to pronounce this one. That's obviously a very famous place, so I'm gonna just give it a try. It's a moment of truth.
我就带 common， 就是这几张麻烦给我带一下。
Spicy. Places like this, but it was actually guide on Michelin guide for 3 years in a row. And if you are in Chiang Mai, that's one place you should definitely come. They call Kai Soy Masai. That's pretty much it. You just sit down, eat, and pretty much food comes in like 2 seconds, and then you finish it in 2 seconds because it's amazing. We loved it. We are in the night market. Chris ordered some kind of dumplings, and I ordered vegetarian spring rolls. Yeah, we got some vegetarian spring rolls. It's pretty good. It takes a little long to make it, but I think it's pretty good. We are still waiting Chris's order though.